Hello everyone, welcome to DVCon 2021 conference. Myself is Girish Kumar Gupta and today I am going to present a poster on topic abstract layer for firmware access, a unique approach for SOC functional verification. As we know, in today's industry, challenges of SOC verification is becoming extremely complex as submicron process technology is shrinking die size, which is enabling system architect to include more and more functionality in a single chip solution, and any revision of silicon due to defect not only cost millions of dollars but also impact time to market. So let me quickly discuss some of the SOC verification challenges we face in any traditional SOC verification approach. So which we have tried to overcome in our proposed solution approach. No mechanism for testbench test case to control firmware at runtime, as firmware is compiled statically and loaded into processor memory, so there is no interaction possible in testbench and firmware at runtime. One-time configuration of SFR done by unit firmware. Test cannot configure SFRs dynamically during the simulation. So in case you would like to change the initial configuration, possible way is to only recompile the firmware for new configuration. No constant randomization possible in unit firmware code. In general, firmwares are written in software languages like C, C++, so it does not have support for constant randomization like the System Verilog has. No timing delay control is possible in unit firmware code, as again software languages doesn't support timing delay control as hardware languages System Verilog. So these are the few challenges which we are trying to overcome in our proposed approach. So in the proposed approach, we have come up with a System Verilog UPM based abstract layer which can control the unit firmware dynamically using a common accessible memory like DRAM, SRAM or core TCM. Abstract layer also has a direct accessibility to host testbench. Host can access the abstract layer sequences. The communication between the abstract layer and the firmware is through a submission completion queues. We have defined the descriptors for each communication messages. Abstract layer write the messages to submission queue and ring the tail doorbell SFR, which is residing inside firmware. Similarly, for response messages, firmware write the data into completion queue and ring the tail doorbell SFR residing in the abstract layer. Abstract layer or a firmware will consume the messages whenever it sees an entry in submission queue or a completion queue and consume the entry for further processing and update the head doorbell SFR for submission queue or completion queue respectively. So we see that abstract layer is capable of querying the firmware at runtime, also capable of altering the firmware state machine and hardware characteristics of firmware. So this slide talks about some of the supported features. Controllability. As we see, the abstract layer has a direct accessibility to firmware variables and descriptors. Randomization. As the abstract layer is written using System Verilog UBM, so it provides the randomization capability and DOT configuration can be randomized and provide to the firmware. Scalability. Abstract layer has a scalable architecture that accommodate the new features like adding the additional descriptor between abstract layer and firmware. Reusability. Abstract layer can be reused across various subsystems and SOC projects with slight modification as per your project needs. 0 C, C++ test cases. As the firmware configuration are controlled inside abstract layer, it does not need any C, C++ test cases like traditional SOC verification approaches. Let me quickly discuss results and conclusion of this poster presentation. So, proposed SOC verification architect provides full-fledged control on firmware aspects. Also, it provides firmware functional coverage matrix, which is feasible due to proposed architect, thus is improving the quality of verification. At the last, conclusion is abstract layer reduce the verification challenges, efforts and better controllability over traditional SOC verification approaches. We have currently deployed this approach in multiple SSD controller verification products and succeeded in reducing efforts by 50%. In addition to the firmware functional coverage metric for sign-off. Refer the details of the abstract layer and firmware interaction descriptor firmware internals in the poster and let me know if you have more questions. I will be happy to answer those. Thank you.